What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kenneth Reed here, guys. Just sitting in the brand new CTS Cadillac purchased by the founder of Paycation, Mr. David Manning. And I want to say publicly, thank you, Mr. Manning. I appreciate this. Guys, we're doing big things here in Paycation. When people are looking for something to supplement some income, to have some fun, to be exposed to places all around the world, guys, Paycation is it, man. I mean, you can see the buzz. You can see people gravitating to the documentation. Paycation is not on trial anymore. And, the documentation is in place. So, guys, we encourage each and every one of you watching this video. You can hear the sounds of my voice. Guys, you want to get with me. Get to that website below right there. Get involved. Let's take massive action. And let's go change the world. This is Kenneth Reed. We'll talk to you in a bit. Peace.